Hey, well, this is all you do. You can send a secret message to any content creator, anyone with a YouTube channel, and, well, it might show up in the comments of other people's notification if you reply to their comment. But this is all you would do. It's really simple. You put a comment, okay, then immediately delete. That's probably not going to show up in most people's notification. I didn't like anything. But now, if this was someone else's channel, someone else's video, this is one of my videos, but if there was a creator and you comment on their video, they could potentially see it in their notifications or their email if you have your messages forwarded to your email. So, for example, anytime someone comments on anything, I will get a copy of it in my email, so it will show me that message. So I will see the text that the person sent in the message, and if I click on it, it will just go to wherever that message was, but there's nothing there because they deleted it. So I commented on somebody's video just now, and then I deleted it because I don't want it to be on the channel, because it's going to break the whole vibe of the channel. It's a whole thing, and I didn't want to destroy anything. But I wanted the creator to know how I felt about it, but I didn't want to give away anything. So if I type that in there, yeah, there's a lot of comments, but some people go through every comment. They will see it in their email or their notifications if they have YouTube Studio. I have the app on here. So when I go to the app, I could hit comments. It'll show me every comment, and I could filter from most recent or ones I haven't responded to. It will still be in there. You can't, if you delete the comment, it's not going to come into my phone or my email and delete the text. Once you send it, it sends a copy of that to my end, and that's saved and stored on my end. You delete it, just like I did a fraction of a second later, 1 second later, it's gone. Other people won't see it on that video, but the creator will see it. So it's kind of a cool, fun little kind of a hack to just, not hack, but, a little trick of how to send a secret message that nobody will see necessarily but that person that owns the channel. Yep.